There have been 38 arson incidents and 8 arson threats or hoaxes targeting buildings linked with accommodation for asylum seekers since 2018. A new report has shown how the level of incidents peaked last year, with 19 including high-profile incidents in Coolock and Dublin last summer. There have been 4 to date in 2025, including the latest attack on an accommodation centre in Drogheda and 10 in 2023. The report from Hope and Courage Collective showed some 18% of arson attacks were on premises where people were living or caretaking at the time of the attack. 82% of incidents related to attacks on empty buildings or properties rumoured to be intended to provide international protection accommodation. Incidents ranged in scale, including attacks on occupied and proposed accommodation centres for people seeking asylum and people sleeping in tents, and many were preceded or accompanied by anti-immigrant protests, online disinformation and far-right agitation, the report notes. It also points to the impact of a small group contributing to conditions that encourage copycat incidents and normalise hostility towards people seeking asylum and immigrants more broadly. Researchers point to a fire at the Cashilmara Hotel in Donegal as one of the first incidents targeting a building earmarked to accommodate those seeking international protection in 2018. They also highlight references on social media to burning it down or to arson attacks as climate change in relation to incidents of arson on centres and the dangers of disinformation. You can read this story in full and more on the Irish Independent.